Good morning, class. It is Thursday for me. I know you're not getting this till Friday because I want to give you guys time to work out the problems. But this is the one I'm going to go over for today. So this is page 89, question number 2, A, B, C, and D. Solve the equation x plus 8 equals 2 times 0.5x plus 4. And then it's going to ask me, what do you notice about the equation? And then it's going to ask me, substitute different values for x into the original equation, simplify, explain what happens. And then how many solutions does the equation have? Use what you have to discover to fill in the table for both that and collecting your information into one table for D. A lot of questions came up about this. I think you guys looked at it a little more challenging than it was. So let me go over, okay? All right, so the problem we were presented with was x plus 8 equals 2 times 0.5x plus 4. I think you guys looked at it and go, oh, but it wasn't very complicated. Anytime you see the parentheses, that tells you right now you have to distribute. Well, 2 times 1/2, because 0.5 is really 1/2. So 2 times 0.5x gives you 1. Just gives you 1, which is just an x. 2 times 4 is 8. So what they asked after you distributed, question A said, what do you notice about the final equation? Well, for A, what I notice is they're identical. And because they're identical, I know that that means there are infinitely many solutions to this equation. So then, the next one said, substitute several different values for x into the original equation. Simplify, explain what happens. Okay, so let's go back to the original equation and substitute. They said put many of them in. We know what's going to happen. They're going to come out the same regardless, okay? But let's just do it one time. Let's do it one time. So let's put x as, let's make x 2. X is going to be equal to 2. If I substituted that in, it'd be 2 plus 8 is equal to 2 times 0.5 times, now that x is going to be a 2, plus 4. Well, 2 times 0.5 is 1. And 1 plus 4 is 5. And 5 times 2 is 10. And 8 plus 2 is 10. So what they're trying to show you is when you have this situation, it doesn't matter what number you put in there, it's going to all come out the same. Then for C, it said, how many solutions does the equation have? Use what you have discovered to fill in the table. If A equals A or X equals X, what is the meaning? And then number of solutions. So what they meant by that, they're saying if A is equal to A, or 10 is equal to 10, or X is equal to X, what is the meaning of that? It means that they are identical. Identical or the same equations. Okay? And so any value makes it true, like we just saw. I could put any number in there. And then it says number of solutions. infinitely many solutions. Okay? Then you got down there to D, and it said, collect your information into your table. Yeah, so when x is equal to a, that means there's only one value of x, which makes the equation true. Number of solutions, 1. When a, which is the next part, when they wanted you to fill in, it says, when a, excuse me, let me back this up so you guys can see it a little bit, but that's just writing. It says a is equal to b, where a does not equal b. So if a does not equal b, then the meaning behind that is there are no numbers or no values of x make this true. No values of x make this true. Number of solutions, no solutions. And then the last one down there, it says a equals a or x equals x. Well, we already talked about that. That means any value of x, any number I put in there, makes the equation true. And when it says number of solutions, that means infinitely many solutions. When a equals a or x equals x. Or like we showed in our example, I had 10 that ended up equaling 10. Okay? Hope that helps. Hope you guys got it. More videos to come on other assignments. Have a good day.